I've been going through a lot these past few days, so I wanted to make this video as a sign of hope and self-care. Here's what putting yourself first looks like. Fam, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be doing a self-care routine that is like no other. Today's goal is all about making me feel good because I'm important, I matter, and so I want to just take this day and value me, period. You know how people say it's not about you? Well, it is about me today. So this self-care routine, this little pampering moment is gonna be one for the books because I'm gonna go all out and everything that makes me happy, we're gonna do it. I've been going through a rough patch the past couple of days. Unfortunately, my grandfather passed away, and so I had to take some time off and grieve, but I'm back and I just want to feel good. So I'm coming to you with positive energy, with good energy, and I really hope you guys enjoy this video.
Murder on the beat, so it's not nice. Booty so big, word, Lord, have mercy.
time, my name is Daphne, but I go by Fufu, and I would love it so much if you were to subscribe to my channel. We are on the road to 50K subscribers. Let's go. I'm gonna be doing way more vlogs on here now because that's what I want to do. But you guys just seen me getting ready for the day. I went to the gym. I feel so good, even though I haven't eaten yet. It is currently 12:44, so way past 12. That means I can eat. I've been craving boiled eggs a lot lately, so I think I want to have some type of like boiled eggs with ground turkey with some type of like tomato paste sauce and veggies with whole grain spaghetti. That sounds so good in my head. And I already put the ground turkey to defrost yesterday. Yes, Lord, excite me with food. All right, so we're gonna go over the plan for today's video. My boyfriend is here. You're gonna see him. I think he's mad at me, yo. I don't know why though. Hello. But I basically just wanna plan out what I wanna do today. How do I screen record on MacBook?
Show screen record?
Mm-hmm.
It's easy with this MacBook.
Okay, how do I do it? Show a player. Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
Here, thank you. I'm gonna cook for you. I'm gonna be making boiled eggs with whole wheat spaghetti because it's about me today. Whole wheat spaghetti. I could boil you regular spaghetti, okay? But the meat that I'm gonna make is gonna be ground turkey. Yeah. I like planning out things that I'm gonna do before I do them, so my head is not everywhere, which it normally is. But if I have a plan and if I have something to go off of, then I'm good, you feel me? So let me go to a new space. Steps of a vid, whatever, steps of a video. All right, so this is gonna be my self-care routine for the books, period. Today is all about me and I'm here for it. I wanna treat myself with breakfast and an episode of a show. I want to treat myself with boba tea. I have to clean up my apartment. Now that may not sound like self-care to some of you guys, but to me that is, because whenever my space is clean, my mind is also clean and cleared up. Like I could think better, and overall I'm just happier, and it's always good to have a clean space. After that, I want to do a face mask. Oh, I also have a foot mask. If anything else comes up more authentically, you guys are just gonna see it. Like I don't have to plan out everything I'm gonna do in life, and sometimes you just gotta accept that. So yeah, we have a rough draft of what we're gonna do. Well, we already did the relaxing shower, period. We already treated ours. Oh, okay, no, we didn't. Okay, so I guess now I have to treat myself with breakfast and an episode of a show. Let's go and get to cooking. It's hella good.
It's not bad.
It's hella good.
Yeah, well, I still want mine.
Whatever. imagine these 2 eggs were already in it when I was presenting it because he already messed it up. All right, and here is my pasta. I like it bland with nothing on it. So I will talk to y'all when I'm done eating. That food was so good, y'all, but literally out of nowhere I decided to go ahead and shave my legs. I don't normally shave my legs, but I said, hey, why not give it a go? And the results from this was amazing, by the way. But I just took a bowl that I never ever use. I put some hot water in it. I got a clean rag and I just put that on my leg before I started shaving, and you guys are just gonna be seeing me shaving now. Now I'm gonna go in with my Tin Skin solution, I think it's called, and I'm just gonna apply that all over my legs for razor bumps and stuff like that. And I'm also gonna be using my Aveeno skin oil. This stuff is so good and it moisturizes my skin so well. So I definitely recommend it if you guys want a really good oil. But look at my legs though. They look so good and so smooth. I think I'm gonna make this shaving my leg thing a thing now. And this is a little fun moment. I decided to try meditating for the first time, just putting on some nice relaxing music, putting on my candle, just making the mood right for me to be able to relax. And y'all, just wait for my results when I did this. It was scary how relaxed I was over here, guys. It's like my mind did something where it went into like blank mode and I was able to actually relax. It is currently 6:38 and I'm gonna go ahead and order my boba tea. So far my day has been going amazingly. So I live in Miami Beach. The place that I order my boba tea from is called Thai Dish and Sushi. They're so good, and literally when you drink it, it feels like you're drinking it from Taiwan, bro. Like, that's how good. But I also seriously want some sushi, so I'm gonna get some sushi too, but not from there. I get the milk tea classic flavor and I get tapioca. When they don't have any tapioca, I like bursting boba, but it's not my favorite. My favorite is just the original classic milk tea, and I get whole milk, not almond milk, and that's it. I'm gonna go ahead and order that. I always do priority because this is a priority. What does it say? 45 minutes. Damn, they're probably busy. $12 total. I'm gonna tip $2. I'm gonna go ahead and pay now. Period. Y'all heard that? Diggling. Alright, you gonna turn on the TV? What's here? I'm kind of frustrated, guys, because the guy took way too long to deliver my drink, and I ordered priority and I tipped him. So don't laugh, babe. It's not funny. So I'm like, yo, if my drink is watered down, I'm seriously gonna be so upset.
And she is so upset.
Okay, it's cool.
Is it good?
He almost got like a 2-star. This is his. It looks like the same drink, but it's so different. Ugh, yours is too damn sweet. Just can't enjoy anything but sugar. Mine is sweet with flavor. Also got some sushi, but I kind of like cheated a little bit or whatever. I got 2 egg rolls. Let me show you guys what I got from there. I'm gonna put y'all over here. So here's my boba tea. It's really good. 2 egg rolls, supposed to be mixed with like veggies and pork and stuff. Let me go ahead and try it.
With pork, why? So you didn't even try to get one that is actually
Really good. I couldn't get one that didn't have pork because they only had this option. And he got this chicken teriyaki bowl. We ordered this food from a place called Iron Sushi. Pretty cheap and pretty good quality as well. Here I'm just gonna do the foot mask. This was my very first time ever doing a foot mask and I was pleasantly surprised. It took me a little bit of time to figure out how to work it and like how to close it properly. So it turns out you gotta close where the ankle's at, so like no air goes through, it doesn't dry out as well. But overall, 10 out of 10, I would definitely recommend this. Alright, I don't know if you guys watched my Target haul when I went shopping for hygiene products, but I bought this face mask. It was $3.99. I didn't think it would do anything, but look at my skin. Yo, I was so shocked. Like, that actually worked and my skin felt really hydrating and really soft. So I gotta get that again. But those are the results from the face mask. Alright, so I'm gonna leave the foot mask on my feet for a little bit longer, even though they said to leave it on for only 10 minutes. What the hell do I look like leaving on for only 10 minutes? Anyways, this is the end of the video, guys. I feel so good. I seriously have rarely meditated before this video, so the fact that I did it twice is telling me something. My body likes it and it helps me with my anxiety. I think everybody has anxiety, whether they want to admit it or not, but mine just sometimes could be overwhelming because I like silence, and whenever there's silence there's thoughts. But the meditation really helped. The soft music really helped. So I feel so good, so refreshed, so clean. Like, I feel like I did what I needed to do for myself, and that is key. But I also wanted to massage my hair with this mango lime Jamaican black castor oil and peppermint. This thing smells so good. I got it from Walgreens. But I'm gonna go ahead and close this video off right here. All I'm gonna do now is edit this video and get it up. But if you guys want to see more vlogs or more videos like these, let me know down in the comment section down below, because if you don't tell me, then I'm not gonna do them, and if I don't do them, you're not gonna get entertained. So it's important that you let me know so I can know. Also, go ahead and like the video. It helps me out with the algorithm, and YouTube is gonna recommend my videos to other people if you like it. And while you're at it, go ahead and subscribe. We are on the road to 50K subscribers. Let's go, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Fufu out. Love you.